What's going on, world? It's your boy Babito PK, also known as Mr. PK Unlaced, coming at you with another unboxing. Well, yeah, I've been kind of gone for a second, and I'm doing things here and there trying to get everything scatterbrained, and it's really bad, but I'm gonna make it up to you guys, I promise. With that being said, I got this unboxing right here, and you know what? It was one of those shoes that I was happy to get once I got my hand on it. Nike Air Max 2 Lite ATMOS collab. Now, detail that they have on these is really different, and it's really dope. If you can't already tell, there's about several dozen pair integrated into each shoe. Different material cuts, different quality stitching, different variations. It all representing Air Max. You can see some of these details. You really actually have to get your hand on the shoe to actually see, because sometimes these pictures don't even do them justice. Like, even looking inside the air bubble on the inside, and how they has the inscribe that's actually inside the air bubbles. It's kind of dope. Two different lace bags. It's kind of cool to see these actually come back, because these was only really popular in like the early 90s, and now since things are retroing, some trainers are coming back, some colorways are coming back. It's a dope idea for the brand, man. So gonna be a couple other releases that's gonna be happening by the time this video drops. Now, also, it's supposed to be word of a triple black Yeezy in the pipeline. It's supposed to come down, but no release dates were done yet. An insane amount of Air Maxes will be dropping on the 12th, actually. The Susans, some of the actual winning colors from the Air Max days, the finalists, Korea 97s, the 95s, the NYC 98s. There's going to be a couple of things that's going to be on your radar that you might want to cop. But all in all, you rocking. We're going to throw them in a box. How would you pull them off? Sneaker fan Mr. Miller said this was on his that he wanted to grab. I know he got his already. These, all in all, very different shoe. But what would you expect coming from ATMOS? That's how they get down on the other side. Make statements. Loud. But I like them. Was it an overrated hype shoe? Or lived up to his word? Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. This is your boy Babito PK, also known as Mr. PK Unlaced.